Everyone, in today's video, I will be showing guys a way to simply link your PSN PlayStation to Steam. So if you already have a PSN account but you're not currently logged into it on your PC, follow the provided link or use the QR code that will be displayed on your TV on your monitor. Basically, the thing connected to your PS4 or PS5. Then use your credentials to log in and link your account. And please keep in mind, if you don't have currently and have a PSN account, please follow the provided link or use the QR code. Then follow the instructions to create a PSN account. And if you have followed the link on your PC, this new account should automatically link to the Steam account you used to purchase the game. And if not, follow the link or QR code again to log into your PSN account and link the accounts. So simply create both the accounts, and to link them, just simply go to one and go to their integration section, and yeah, choose or basically do it manually or scan it via the QR code and use the credentials to log in and links your account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.